Hello everybody and welcome to Miss Garza's 4th grade classroom. Today we're going to be learning how to use Adobe Lightroom 6 to edit some photos to enhance them better for your needs. In this lesson we're going to be talking about conservation and to use the Photoshop for this lesson. We will be taking a normal photo and enhancing it by lightening it and making it clear so that we can use it in pamphlets or newspaper articles, whatever we choose to write our newspaper articles on. So we started by opening our Lightroom application and uploading our image. You just click import here where it'll pull up all of your images that you have on your device. And I have mine stored on the desktop, and uncheck all of them because we're just going to be uploading one photo. And you would check your photo and you would click import here. I'm going to cancel because I've already imported it here. Then you would click on the Develop tab where we can begin to start. Okay, we pulled up this photo here. It's very dark and drabby, and I don't think that it would be seen very well in newspaper print since newspaper is black and white. So here is the tab on the side where you make all of your edits. It has basic things like enhancing your temperature of the photo. You can make it very warm or very cool. And it has exposure. I'd say this photo is underexposed because it's so dark. So by making it brighter, you can actually see more of what's in the frame. Let's say that's okay. Contrast is almost the darkness in all of the colors that you see that are in the photo. If you make it very a negative contrast, it takes out most of the color and it's almost like a full grayish picture. So let's say we add a little bit of that back in there just to get some color back in the buildings. Not too much. And it shows highlights, shadows, whites, and blacks, which would make the color mentioned extremely apparent or not so apparent. Usually we wouldn't have to mess with those very much. Then you also have clarity of the image. You can see what adding that does to it. If you do too much of it, say you take a very blurry photo, it might be better to choose another one because using too much of this makes it almost look unreal, which is not the point. So if you just add a little bit, it sort of sharpens up the edges. And the same with vibrance, can add more color to the image, just making an overall better image. Let's see, to enhance this photo, maybe I would increase the temperature a little bit because it's kind of blue in the sky. And maybe decrease some of that contrast so it doesn't look so fake. Alright, and when you're happy with your photo, you just go up to the corner, hit File, and you're going to export the photo. And you can export it to where you already had it at, which was the desktop. You'll just hit export. and you can use unique names since you already have that original photo there, so this would be your new photo. Alright, and after that went away in that corner, it's been exported to your desktop and you can download it onto any other place that you need it. Put it into a Word document, put it on your blog, and that's all for today's lesson. Thank you very much.